welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandria. Welcome to today's vlog. I am so thrilled because I am vlogging on my brand new Sony camera. So you guys are gonna have to let me know if you like this quality, if you like this style of vlog too. But my husband and I and dog just moved to Florida for a 9-month lease. We sold our house in the Midwest in Illinois and we are down in Florida and it is so beautiful. I am so excited. Let me turn you guys around. So this is our view. I'll have to show you guys a little bit better in upcoming vlogs or maybe even in this vlog, but look at that, it's so gorgeous. So yeah, we have tons of fun things planned today. It's actually Saturday and it's our first Saturday here in Florida. It's literally our 3rd day here. We've moved into our apartment. I'll have to show you guys the apartment, but we are actually heading to lunch at a dog-friendly place. We are taking our dog, gonna sit outside because it's so nice. It is like 75 and sunny. And then we're also gonna check out the dog beach. So I am so excited for that. So I'll take you guys along with me. So let's go. Hello guys, okay, I'm in my kitchen now and I wanted to unbox a Shein haul with you guys. I have my lovely husband over here staring at me, so that helps a lot, but let's go ahead and see what I got. I wanted to unbox this with you guys because I always order from Shein and I love their comfy clothes because I work from home. So I'm literally in cozy clothes 24/7. I don't even know the last time I put jeans on. I wear comfy clothes all the time, but this is the first thing I got. So it just says Laguna Beach, California. It's just like one of those quarter zips. Do you like this, Brandon?
It looks great.
I love this. It's so cozy. It's a great material. So this is the first item. I will link everything in the description box below if you guys like any of these pieces and want to shop them. But okay, here's the next one. I'm not kidding when I tell you guys, I live in 2-piece sets like this. So I love this hot pink one. This one just says Brooklyn and it's kind of like embroidered into the t-shirt or the sweatshirt. And then I also got these matching shorts with it. So, oh my God, so cute. I am obsessed. I love this pink color. Brandon, what do you think?
That is a great color.
Yeah. Okay, the next thing, this is kind of a big haul. I got quite a few items. Shocker, it's another set. Okay, so I got this gray, just like basic, I don't think, yeah, it doesn't say anything on it. It's just a basic cropped sweatshirt. I don't really like getting hooded ones. And then I also have these really pretty gray sweatpants as well. The quality is so good because I feel like with Shein, you really don't know how the quality is gonna be. But I ordered a sweat set from them like a month ago and I fell in love with it. I wear it so much, just ask my husband. I literally wash it and then wear it for like 3 days in a row and then repeat the process. So I was like, I'm gonna get more because obviously I like those. I can't remember what this is. Okay. I got a beach towel next because like I said, we just moved to Florida. So I got a nice little beach towel. So that'll be nice to have in the summertime and when we go to the beach or the pool. Next. Okay. I needed a bunch of like home decor items. So I got this pillow cover. So I just need the insert. But I thought this was like super cute. It's neutral. What do you think, Brandon?
Wow. So cute.
He's not paying attention. Okay, last thing now. Oh my gosh, guess what it is?
A sweatshirt.
Sweat set. Okay, so this is like, Brandon, this is like the brown one that I have, but it's in khaki now.
No way.
Look.
Whoa.
So I got another sweat set in khaki. This is just the sweatshirt and it is so comfortable. It's amazing. Everything is linked below if you like any of these items. Did you get a bath? Let's go around this side. Yeah. Oh, look how pretty you are. Such a pretty baby. Oh, so cute. So freshly showered, I did it all. I shaved my legs, I exfoliated, and then I got out of the shower, I self-tanned and put on a cute little sweatshirt. So I am feeling good now. Since we are literally just like the first few days in our apartment, I'm actually going to do some organizing. So let's do that. And then I want to show you a few clips from the TikTok that I made of our little empty apartment tour. So let's organize and then I'll show you that. Let's go. Also, Mocha is all curled up. She is so tired from today. She enjoyed the beach. It was so cute. She had never been on sand before and she loves water, so she had such a fun time. Also, our room is kind of coming together. We got this bed frame. I got it on Amazon. I will link it if you guys are interested. I really like it. We have a king bed. Actually, I ordered a new comforter, so that comes, I think, next week. So this is gonna transform, so make sure you follow along for like vlogs coming soon, because I'm gonna be like vlogging a lot while we're living in Florida. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you know whenever I post. To show you guys our patio. It is so nice out right now. It is just becoming dark and this is our view. Absolutely love it. So this evening we're actually just staying in tonight. It is Saturday night and you're staring at me. It is Saturday night and we just ordered some DoorDash. So I'm getting some chicken tenders and some fries, and I'm so excited.
Yes.
Here's Brandon.
Me too.
We're just having a drink out on the patio. I need to go make myself a margarita, but Mocha is loving the patio and all the smells. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be posting more vlogs like this, like while we're in Florida and like daily life. And like I just love watching. Yeah. I just love watching daily vlogs like this. Why are you looking at me? So I cannot end this video with him. But anyways, I'm going. Make sure you subscribe. I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.